In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove the yellow border in OBS when recording on your Windows. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your OBS right here, and then you want to right click on the display that you want to capture. So I have this display right here that I'm currently recording, which is my main screen. And then you want to click on properties. Inside properties, you then want to click on the capture method and then select the DXGI desktop duplication. Now sometimes this will make your screen black. When that happens, you can navigate through your browser, right click on it, click on the display settings, and basically inside this page you want to scroll down, and at the bottom of this page you want to click on graphic settings. In here you then want to look for OBS. If you cannot find it, simply click on the browse button. You want to look for your OBS application. In my case, it's installed to this path, which is going to be inside program files, OBS Studio, bin, and 64-bit. You can simply find the location of OBS by heading over to your Windows logo, click on open file location, and from here you then want to right click on it once again, click on open file location. It will then lead you straight to the location of OBS. In here, you then want to copy the location, paste it inside the graphic settings, and then you will be taken to this page. In here, you then want to click the OBS executable file, click on options, and then you want to switch between the power saving mode and the high performance. If it doesn't work on power saving, you then want to switch to high performance. Now, when switching settings, you want to make sure that you restart your OBS right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.